Next stop, East Liberty Street.
You know I have to go back to the place I hate the most. Long ago, it used to help me grow, always kept me feeling safe from coast to coast. Lock the gates at night and don't set my place. I won't be back to see how the snow covers leaves. I counted down the hours until I found a shortcut home to you. But I'm just passing through, barely a guest, a stranger in my own home. I'm back in Toronto, but just till tomorrow. That's when the bleeding stops again. Put off all the feelings, forget all the meanings, just let it cycle through. My head was spinning again. The sinning is innocent till we realize that we're back in Toronto once again. You kicked and screamed until you met your defeat and slammed the door behind me where you stood for weeks. I spent all night pretending I was alright. I justified, I planned, but I know deep inside I can't withstand